Are you excited about the iPhone SE 4 or considering about buying an iPhone model? Well, today, I've got some surprising details that might change the way you look at things. Stick around, because I'll be sharing two videos that could completely shift how you feel about being an iPhone user or an Android user. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe our channel. It really helps us a lot. Let's begin. According to a New York Times study, iPhone and Android users are completely different people. A famous podcaster, Joe Rogan, talked about this on his YouTube channel and his podcast. And this is what he said.
So this is a study that was done to find the difference between people that use iPhones and people that use Androids. This was actually a crazy study. And I feel like people are going to be very upset when they hear this. So New York Times posted a study, and they found that Android users are actually more introverted and iPhone users are actually more extroverted, right? But they did another study, and they found that Android users are actually the more honest and nicer people. And iPhone users are actually people that lie a lot, but they're more adventurous and they're more curious. But what's crazy about this study is they found that Android users are actually the ones that are smarter with their money, because they found that iPhone users actually spend the double of the amount of money per day on their everyday life than Android users. And overall, iPhone users are just on their phones more than Android users. They even found that iPhone users actually send twice as many texts per day and take twice as many pictures per day.
Before we go to the second video, which is even more concerning, we want to know your thoughts about what Joe Rogan said. Don't you think this is concerning? By the way, are you an iPhone user or an Android user? Feel free to share in the comments. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Now, moving on to the second video, a Bengaluru-based woman named Pooja Chabda uncovered something surprising. She demonstrated that Zepto, an Indian company known for its quick grocery delivery services, charges different prices for the same items based on whether the user is using an iPhone or an Android device. In her experiment, she noticed significant price differences for items when comparing the two platforms. Take a look.
Okay guys, so I saw so many videos on social media where people are talking about they're getting different prices on Android phone and different prices on iPhone. There's a huge difference. I didn't trust all those videos thinking that it's fake. But now I just checked, randomly I just checked, and dude, there's a huge difference. Can you see this here? I'm using the Zepto. This is an iPhone and this is an Android phone. And there's a huge difference. Like grapes, I'm getting it for 146 and Android phone users getting it for only 65. You can see the cauliflower is 31, here it's only 20. And here capsicum is 69 and here it's 37. Onions, here it's 39 and here's 47. What the hell is this? I thought it's fake, but it's actually real.
This is just one example, but imagine how many big companies might be taking advantage of iPhone users in similar ways. Don't you think it's completely unfair? Have you encountered anything like this? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.